We need to see some ID.
Back up, Clarence.
Huh?
Good, that's your boy!
We need cooperation.
Get out of my face. Go cooperate with your ex-wife.
Dumb!
How many people live here? You asking me? You can't count past 2, idiot. Nah, go back to school, rookie.
Answer the question.
Answer your life, dummy!
What does that mean?
It means think before the words leave your face.
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me! We just want to talk.
Talk to who? Your mama? COBCs! Tell her I'll be by Sunday!
Oh, no. We have a few questions.
Ask your ex why she left. You still heard about that. Oh, no.